Hey everyone, Dave Cook with D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. I was doing a quick video because we had this issue happen in our shop the other day. So this is the sprayers that we use, Graco Finish Pro HVLP 9.5. This one is about 2 years old now. And we've got another one that's about 4 years old. These have done really well. We have one that goes in the field, one that stays here in the shop. One that stays in your shop's got a little overspray. Most of it's just dust because as we can see the dust on our spray booth, we weren't venting outside. We're using different filters. So we've changed our filtration system a little bit, so it's catching a lot more particulate in there. But most importantly, we figured out a way that we could have a temporary exterior vent. So we called our local HVAC guy, Custom Heating and Cooling here in Elgin. They're awesome, by the way. So all we did was we have an exterior door, and we kept the door on, and we just put this temporary piece of plywood, and then they came and helped us hook this piece up. So when we're spraying, we just open the back door and it vents out. It's all waterborne, so there's nothing harmful about it. It's just dust, and you can see there's dust everywhere from where we've been spraying for the past year in here. It's dusty everywhere. But with the sprayer, the one thing that happens on the job sites, and you may have this issue when this thing is on, this will start flashing green, or this will start flashing and it'll start getting really goofy and it gets hot. This happened to us 2 weeks ago. You could barely touch it, it was so hot. And as we looked on the side, this was all completely impacted with paint dust and debris. There was crap everywhere on this thing. So I couldn't take this off. I didn't have a tool with me here at the shop. All the tools were out for the day. So I just took a shop vac with one of those crevice tools, and I just took a paintbrush and a little, almost like a toothbrush, and I just kept scouring these things back and forth and vacuuming it, and it came out right away. And then same thing on this side. We took this filter off, which has this little, you can see the clamp on there. Undid the clamp, took it off, vacuumed the inside, vacuumed the outside. Same thing, took a brush, back and forth, vacuumed it out. Once we did that, it worked perfect. So just something to think about. If your sprayer's getting goofy or it seems to be running really hot, it's probably the air on that thing. If you have other questions about how to use this sprayer, how we use it, clean it, etc., love to see how we can help. David Cook at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.